Hello class, today I'll talk about the project implementation of our team. Our team is Shark. Team members are Zhao Chuan and Wan-Yan. So here I'll show you if you use the official Twitter search engine how Zhao Chuan could get his tweeters relevant to his project. So his project is about iPhone 5s. So here I'll search for iPhone 5s. And will you all? So actually, there are many tweets generated per minute, so a lot of information, and he is interested in the locations of the iPhone 5s users, so maybe he can look at the profile of the users, and also he is interested in which language the user is speaking. So I think there is English, of course, and also yeah, so we can see some Japanese. Yeah, and I believe there are many other languages. So here I'll show you how I search the tweets that are relevant to my project through the official Twitter search engine. So in my case, I'm interested in the price of the air ticket. So probably I'll use this airline price as my keywords, and I search it. Will you all? So I get some tweets, and I'm interested in how the price of the air ticket change through the time. So I'll interested in the time when the Twitter is created, and also I'll look at the price of the ticket as well as whether the price of the ticket goes up or goes down. Here I demonstrate that we successfully stored our data in local server. So first we go to Mongo and show DBS, use test Twitter, and show connections. And here we can see that my data, my table air ticket is generated here. And now I want to get access to this table. Air ticket, find. Now we can see I have extracted a lot of information. And so I can count how many tweeters I have. Count. Yeah, so that's actually around 300 tweeters. Now I want to talk a little bit about how does our code work. And this code is written by Zhao Chuan. He showed me how to use it. And to run this code, we need to first pre-install MongoDB and also two Python APIs, that is PyMongo and the Twison. After we have installed these applications, we can get the API key and the access token from the Twitter applications that's shown here. And the Twison actually offers two kind of authentications. Authentication 1 is for user authenticated calls, and authentication 2 is for application authenticated calls, and that means it only make read-only calls to tweeters. Since in our case we don't need to we only need to read the tweeters, we don't need to write it. So the authentication 2 is okay, so that's why we set the authentication version to be 2. After that, we can start to prepare local Mango. What we first do is to make a connection to a local Mango server, and then we build a database called test Twitter and connect to it, and then we build a table called air ticket. Now we can start collecting the data. I set the n value to be 100. That means each time it searched for 100 twitters. In my case, I'm interested in the price of the air ticket, so I put the airline price here as my keywords. And to avoid adding repeating information in my database, I use if-else command. So what does it do? What it does is that it looks at each Twitter. If the ID of the Twitter already existed in my database, then it ignores it and read the next Twitter. Otherwise, it will insert the Twitter into the database. That's basically how we collect the data. Look at this part of the code. We comment it because we'll use it later in data analysis, and now we are still testing it. So this code is for extract the information we concerned from the twitters. So for example, if we only interested in the English twitters, so we can set the language here to be English, and we can also extract the information about the place and the creating time of the Twitter, and also the information about the user locations.